Guys, I'm going to show you how to keep your reefer cooling efficiently in the summer heat. This is something that I need to do 2-3 times a year. You should do it, and it'll keep the airflow going in the condenser up there. We're going to wash that condenser up there, and you can hire Thermo King or Carrier, whoever, to do this for about $300. They'll wash it for you, but I'm able to do it myself, and I like how I do it better. So I'm going to go ahead and do it. It's starting to rain out here. Wonderful. First thing I'm going to do is spray that up there with some degreaser. I'm going to use this Zep Industrial Purple degreaser, and I'm going to spray it on there with this sprayer here. And then I've got a 50-gallon drum of water with a submersible pump in it, and I'm going to run that off my generator here. And what I'm going to use to wash it is this radiator genie here. Did a video on that, I don't know, a couple years ago. This is also good for doing your radiator and charge air cooler condenser in your truck, because you can control the water flow right here. Pressure's not too high. And then it has this curved tip on here. It'll come out flat like that. So this thing works pretty darn slick. I like it. Use it for a lot of things. But first thing I'm going to do is go spray up in that, see up in there? The radiator looking thing, that's your condenser. And they get clogged with bugs and road debris and just gunk. And I'm going to go spray it first. Alright, I sprayed probably used a half gallon of degreaser up there. This really needed to be done because as I was spraying it, it's just running brown. And I'll put a link in the description below to the degreaser and then to that radiator genie if you're looking for one. That radiator genie is really handy. I use it on a lot of different things in tight spots. So I'm going to let that sit for a few minutes, and then I'm going to do it again just so it can soak really well. And then I'm going to be ready to spray it off. So come back in a minute. Alright, I degreased it the second time. I'm ready to start washing it here. You got this thing hooked up, and here's how you can regulate the pressure on this thing by turning this little dial here. And the amount of pressure you want, you can use a pressure washer for this if you want to. I recommend not too much pressure on it though, because it could damage the fins up there. So that's what I like about this thing. I can really adjust the pressure as I need it. And this is not going to be too much pressure. See the water running brown down here? That's all there is to it. You can see when I first started in the beginning, you probably see all kinds of brown water running down the doors of the front of the reefer here. So it definitely needed to be done. Twice a year, I try to do it at minimum. You should probably do it a little more often, especially in the summertime or if you're in really dusty conditions. But that's it. Like I said, I'll put links to this in the description if you need something like this. There's also an air attachment that's pretty handy as well that it comes with. And if you like that kind of thing, hit the like button, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.